Okay, so the first thing that you want to think about when you're creating an activity is whether or not you want to have something for the students to write or record on. So if that's the case, you're going to want to add that right down here in the template. If it's just, let's say, a video, maybe a YouTube video or something that you've recorded yourself for them simply to watch, or maybe a link to a website, you'll want to put that right here. Okay, so if you are adding this section here is a multimedia instruction. So you can have both. You can have one right here in the multimedia instructions, and you can add one template. You can't add more than one multimedia link, and you can't have more than one template. So that's what you kind of want to think about before you create the activity. So for example, I'm going to show you an activity that I made. This activity was a video that I created of myself explaining Magic E and just kind of explaining the idea and teaching about Magic E, if you will. So my video of me explaining this and teaching it would be uploaded here. So the video could be saved to your drive or to your desktop. You'll just upload. So you'll select where you want it to come from, your desktop or your drive. I'm not going to upload it here. But that is where you would upload it. Then your template. So this is the part that the students are writing on. So the students aren't going to be writing on top of the video. So this part that they're writing on, that goes down here in the template for student response. So this looks the exact same. That's where it can be a little bit confusing. But this section here is just for students to have access to write on or work with, I should say. So for example, the template that I created looks like this. So I created this template just in PowerPoint, and then I just saved it as a picture. So right now you'll notice that none of this, it's not, I can't move anything. I can't do anything with it. It's just a picture, which is what you want. So now that it's uploaded as a picture, now I'm going to click on these three dots here to unlock it. This is a good tip. You want to unlock it first, and you're going to want to scooch. See what happens whenever I'm doing this? My bar comes up. The same thing happens to the kids when they're working on their iPads. All of these little icons will pop up and get in their way. So you want to unlock it and scooch it a little bit. So you want to make the size just a little bit smaller. Now you want to lock it again. So anything that's unlocked, the students can move around on the screen. Anything that's locked, they can't. So again, you just kind of want to think through your activity. So this activity that I made, all of these pictures or all of these words, they need to read the words, and then what I want them to do is drag the picture to on top of this word here or into this box. So after you uploaded your template, now you can also upload more. So here's where I need to upload. So I'm going to upload some more, and I already have these pictures saved just for the sake of time. I found these on Google. Save as, add it to your desktop. So now that they're all on my desktop, you can actually save all of them at once by clicking on the first one, holding down the shift button, and clicking on the last one. Okay, now they're all there, and I'm going to just resize all of them. So I'm going to resize them, and I'm going to scoot them over here to the side. This is another reason why you want your main template, the one that says your turn. Another reason why you want that main template to be small so that you have some room to work over here on the side. Now these pictures are all blurry because I just saved them from my last activity. If you find them directly from Google, they won't be blurry. I just wanted to make this a little quicker. Okay, so now when the students log on and when they see this activity, they're going to use their finger to move these pictures. So these pictures I don't want to lock because I want them to be able to drag the pictures. But this main template needs to be locked. If not, they could scooch this template all around. So the only thing I want them to have access to scooching around are these pictures. Okay, so then once they're finished, they would click the green check mark. If you want to make a second page of the same thing, you'll click on Add Page. Again, Upload, and then you would upload your main picture or your main template first. Make sure that you unlock it first. Oops, it's already unlocked. Just make sure that you size it, and then you could add your pictures here on the side. So that's one way that you could do it. So your green check mark at the top. And again, this is the template. This is not an example or an instruction. So I'll stop here for right now for this section.